Blessings of Allah be upon each and every one of you. I get this question a lot in my work. I heard that you guys have this new mantra. We are family always. It sounds really cute, it's nice, but what does it really, really mean? We want to serve you better. We're here as public servants to the community. It is the joy of our lives. We'd like to be able to serve you. And so you can also visit our website at www.eastafricancs.org for more information. We are family always.
I love the work EACS does. They're grounded and rooted in community, and they're constantly showing up for us. And that, I think it was Muhammad who mentioned consistency. They're one of the most consistent organizations that I've seen. I work at the county with Best Arts for Kids. I see the deliverables that y'all are putting in, the number of young people that you're serving. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for you to continue that success so that our communities are no longer surviving, but that they're thriving. And I'm a mother of 2, and I just want to say that I'm so proud of y'all. Like, if you know and you believe in yourself, anything is possible. All the adults in your life who believe in your dreams, who guide you, who mentor you, who support you, who help you navigate uncharted waters, I want to give it up to them. You want to say anything?
Hi, my name is Khalid, and I want to be a basketball player like you guys are.
When Abdirashid, Omar, all of them came over and said, we have this team that needs to go play and we need you to sponsor. Actually, the sponsorship issue didn't even come up. It was like, we want you to meet this team and we want you to see what you could do. And thank you all for allowing me to be part of it. Tonight is not about anybody else except all of you. You all did this. We're here to celebrate you guys. We're here to say, congratulations, and we want to see how we can do this for the other ones that are out there that need this kind of services.
I'm here, champions are here. Good evening. Thank you very much. I came all the way here today with the invite, but also I know there was youth involved. The reason I came here to support the youth is because when I came here, almost 40 years ago, by the way, come September 4th, 9th, when I came to America, I was a teenager with a big afro. I'm glad afro is back today. Skinny also. Less weight, halfway to what I weigh today. And it was very difficult. I actually roomed with my cousin and his wife, and I didn't have any guidance. I didn't have a father or mother here. Nobody was cooking meals for me. Nobody was preparing my bed for me. Everything I have to do it alone. One of the challenges I had as I was a race negligent. I had no idea what race I was, because in Somalia, or the country we grew up in East Africa, we have shades of light, colors. We don't have black or white color. So what I want you to know, you guys have a privilege today. You have a community organization where people who are really educated, mature, people who are running for office, those who won and those also running that in our room today. So take advantage of that one and have a call to action in your life. Plan something. Life is not as long as you guys think about it. If you are, by the time you're 20, probably 1/3 of your life is gone. So have a plan to get educated, get a degree, and be successful in life. Don't wait for anybody to tell you what to do. You can be whatever you guys want it to be. That's it. I want to thank you.
Basketball is part of EACS. It's going to be part of EACS, and we're going to be calling all of you. So I hope you all remember this, okay? Because you're going to have to come through, you're going to have to support, mentor young ones, and show the path, just like you have done. Thank you all. Thank you, Musse, for coming all the way from Portland and being with us. Thank you for your kind words to this youth. It was needed. Our youth need to see it. Thank you, Shukri, for coming. And thank you to all of you for coming and for sharing this moment with all these young, handsome guys that we're looking forward to become.